So today I'll be showing you how to make Play-Doh. So all you need is baking powder, shampoo, food coloring optional, and just 1 minute I need the baking powder.
Trying to make a second batch to see how you
Okay.
do it.
So
It's probably by fluke the first time.
Yeah, I think so.
So what you'll be needing,
You know Grandpa Pot
and Dad need one too.
calls coffee out
Okay.
every hour when he's like gonna load. Right? Yeah, man, you put gravel down now. You can't
Okay.
put gravel down. First you gotta roll it
So what you'll be needing is 2
10
tablespoons.
grams work till today.
So
I don't know. Man.
okay, so you'll need this
Still.
and
No, it's not.
something to mix in.
Like you got off at 3, probably.
So, and then you'll need 2 tablespoons of this, so the shampoo. And then you'll add 1/3 of a cup of
Carl said
water.
he's buying
Whole
car,
cup of
and unit
water.
cars. He said he was gonna give us 2,000 each today. Then he'll give us 2,000 tomorrow. He's probably gonna give us 2,000.
Who?
He's giving 4,000 out. Costello.
Why?
I said I got a card, man. I don't need my car. I don't need
Okay,
it.
and then
Well,
you
need to
will
get on the
put your
road.
food coloring,
2,000
2
should be
drops,
enough.
and then
$2,000
stir
apparently should be enough to get my car
until
on the
you
road.
see. No white. Will you see a bit of white?
I tell him, you keep that.
And then you'll add this in.
I don't want.
Yeah, I need to take that too.
Meanwhile, I'm making some. Okay, this is what mine looks like. And you just stir it. Stir, 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 stir. Dad made more.
Way big.
I'm not taking $2 grand out of my pay. The whole pay. Whole monthly pay. Well,
And
2 weeks.
if it's too watery, you think you'll add more. Just want to stir it all together. And if you need more, then
I'm
add more.
trying to get mine there, but it's taking a break.
And you can also use baking soda.
Kegaballs.
But we're not using baking soda. I'm using.
Here's your-
This is the soft one.
How do I get this stuff more like?
Dad, can you like this one? It's getting hard.
I don't get how.
You don't want to run out of material like we almost are. Just want to stir.
Funny how
Till-
it does that.
What?
It's funny how it does it there.
I know, it's like kinetic sand, smooth sand. And you just want to keep stirring. You see it getting there, then you just want to add a lot. We wanted to make slime, but then we used all my glue. And it's almost getting there, Daddy.
It's getting there too.
And a bit more. And you need this shampoo to make it. Or I don't think it will else work. Okay. Almost done, as you can see. And a bit more. And just keep stirring. And now it's done, guys. Wait. No, it's not. Need a bit more. Mom.
I need a bit more of this.
Okay, now it's done, guys. Wait, nope. Need to stir it a bit more. Okay.
I gotta wait me snacks soon. Like ASAP.
Okay, almost about done. Okay, I need to go clean my hands, guys. So I can actually play with it. Watch me slide. Wait. Okay, we're almost about done. Sorry, guys. We're just about almost done. Just want to stir it. We're gonna put this. We have this
No.
one, this one, the very soft one, and you just want to stir until you see really crumbly pieces. Looks about done.
Car all into my boss's house. I'm not driving it. I'm not paying for those.
What? Dad, can you please?
There's another one.
Big clumpy.
The car.
How you're only gonna be able to make the same stuff with the
His
same
mechanic.
stuff that you're using.
And from
I
his
know.
mechanic,
I'm just
Back
gonna
to my
share
house.
this. Who just made this one?
I can't do that.
Woo! Mommy made this one. Oops, oops.
bad.
Look!
You're bad.
Woo! I think we're gonna make more batches, but I don't know.
Last night we used like all the ingredients.
I'm gonna make
Here.
one more. Wendy, look!
I drove all the way there and all the way back.
Did you?
Yep, highway and all.
What car?
What would you-
What car? The Cadillac.
You like it?
Yeah. He's like, you really need to get your license. You can't drive. Look at you. What are you making?
Slime.
I love how he'll let you drive but won't let me drive.
He said you drove this morning.
Not to home, not to work.
No.
I fucked around anywhere.
Look.
Okay.
Feels really neat.
No, you might
We
crash
made
my
it!
Cadillac.
Feel it?
I don't know what to do.
No, that's enough for the night. Oh, look at that.
Now you don't have to use my fan.
I haven't used it since
Yay.
you took it out of my room. He bought a microwave too.
Perfect.
Went to Excess Cargo or whatever, Factory Direct.
Okay, yeah, we're done. We already made lots, right? Daddy,
Okay,
are you
guys.
done?
Dad's not done yet.
Okay.
Bye, guys.